Hey guys, Vasily here from Auto Excellence, and today I'm going to show you how to use your Jeep's four-wheel drive system. So for starters, let's go over the shift positions. The first one on the shift knob is the 2H, the 2 high position. This is where you want to be in when you're driving on normal road conditions, normal street and highway conditions, hard surfaces, pavement. The 4H position, that locks your front and rear drive shafts together, forcing the front and rear wheels to rotate at the same time. This provides additional traction for slippery roads. You should not use this on normal driving conditions. This is for when it's snowing out, raining out, it's sandy. And when you do have the 4H, when you do have it in 4H, the four-wheel drive light will illuminate on your dash. And how you shift from 2H to 4H, you can either be in park or you can be in drive. You can actually be driving up to 45 miles an hour, and then you just shift it into 4 high right there. The next one is neutral. The only time you want to put your car in neutral is if the car is being towed or you need to push it for whatever reason, it's not starting. And then lastly, the 4 low. The 4 low, just like the 4 high, it locks the front and rear drive shafts together, forcing the front and rear wheels to rotate at the same time. The difference is it provides additional traction and maximum pulling power for loose, slippery roads. So the only time I recommend using 4 low is if you're stuck in the mud, stuck in the snow, can't get out, and you should never use it driving more than 25 miles an hour. So the 4 low is for extreme circumstances. And how you get into 4 low, the car has to be in neutral, and you just want to shift right and back down to 4 low. And that's basically it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a like or a thumbs up. Thanks. As always, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure you give this video a like. It does help out the channel a lot. And also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks.